God. What? Are you okay?
I'm just writing down my thoughts, dude.
I'm just making sure you're okay, dude. I thought I heard you screaming.
I've been sitting here the entire time since you've been taking your nap.
Will, have you been, having visions or anything?
No, this is the 5th time you've asked me in the past week.
I'm just checking on you, dude. I want to make sure you're still okay after everything.
See, you say everything like I'm supposed to know what that means. Last thing I remember was fighting Red Rival and Green Demon.
So clearly the memory eraser's still working somewhat.
And why do you keep whispering to yourself?
Let me try something on you. White.
Black.
And clearly the sarcasm stayed.
Look, dude, I don't know why you keep giving me these mini therapy sessions. I promise you, I'm okay.
I'm doing them because I care about you, bro. I mean, things have been pretty crazy the past 2 years, and I don't want to end up losing you again.
You're not gonna lose me, bro. I was just concussed. I'm pretty sure I'm fine. And I mean, Tua, he was concussed for like a year, and he still played. I just don't understand what the big problem is.
The problem is that ever since the events of Red Rival and Green Demon have occurred, our lives have been hectic for the past 6 years. And I don't want to lose you to another crazy event like that again.
And where are Red Rival and Green Demon? Oh yeah, they're dead.
And you would be too if I didn't step in and come save you.
Luke, I can look after myself. I mean, I just turned 17. I'm gonna be okay.
But what happens whenever you turn into the White Phantom again?
And you keep bringing up this White Phantom. Like, who is that? I've never heard of that.
Look, for my safety, and mostly for yours, I can't tell you everything. But I need you to promise me that you'll just listen to me when I tell you I'm trying to keep you safe.
Nerf War.
Are you crazy?
No. We haven't had one since I got knocked out. Elite vs. Mega. Like the old days.
I already told you, and I'm not telling you again. I'm not fighting you.
Nerf War.
You're gonna regret that.
Let's go!
It's like we never left.
You're going down. Only one dart. Damn it!
Pick a gun with more ammo next time, brother.
Don't trash talk me, brother. Just because I was knocked out doesn't mean I can't fight you, bro.
Oh yeah? Give me your best shot then.
Why you hiding, coward?
Ought to say the same for you, buddy. Damn sniper.
Giggity! 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 Yeah! La 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 la! Wow! It's over, Luke. I have the high ground.
No!
no! Hey, chill!
Oh my god.
Where's he going? I guess I won. So you gonna tell me what that was about?
I can't tell you. It's for your own safety.
Okay, well, you shot me like I was about to murder you or something.
Look, I had a vision, okay?
Like the freak out you had this morning?
This was different. It felt like I relived a moment of the White Phantom.
Yeah, again, I don't know who that is.
Yeah, and you don't have to, frankly. I would rather you not know.
Well, if you're so worried about this White Phantom, you're gonna have to handle it yourself, because clearly you don't want me involved.
Yeah, you're right. I don't.
Look, I'm sorry for having the Nerf War. I guess you're not recovered from what's happened.
Then when will I be?
But look, dude, I'm just trying to help you. But if you don't want my help, then I guess I'll leave.
I just think it's best that we maybe don't have a Nerf War for a while.
Works for me. Did enough cardio today anyway.
What is wrong with me?